We welcome you all again inside the municipal covered court of Pamplona for our second game of the day's match-up between Team Gainza and Team San Fernando. For the starters of both teams, let's first start with Team Gainza. At guard, number 19, Angelito Arbayon. Also at guard, number 26, Andrew Aguirre. At center, number 9, Wilson Abayon. At forward, number 10, Rolando Alfonso. And also at forward, number 44, Emerson Palacizo. And now for the starters of Team San Fernando. At guard, number 3, Jular Asibor. Also at guard, number 22, Julius Gabriel. At center, number 44, Oscar Beltran Jr. At forward, number 13, Ryan Benedicto. Also at forward, number 19, John Edward Aguilar. And the officials for this ball game, crew chief Ronnie Malinisa, umpire 1, Edgar Faraon, and umpire 2, Rosel Fontaine. This is your Ako Pico Cup Comedy Tour. Atito!
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the beginning of the second game of our Day 17 of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Of course, brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurug pa. Once again, this is Angelo Espinacilla, your play-by-play analyst, commentator.
And I'm Coach Mark para sa inyong analyst for the second game sa Pamplona covered courts. So both teams dito, Jello, are actually wanting to go back to their winning column, both losing their last game. Actually, San Fernando was upset by Libmanan with very few players nang natalo sila. So di ko alam kung magiging factor ba yan dito given na very few din ang players dito ng Gainza.
And there you have it. With that, no, Gabriel making the first shot of the game. So this is a battle of redemption pala, partner, no? The revenge of the fallen. And with that, no, San Fernando making the first point. I shout out lang natin si Ma'am Giselle Regalado. No, happy viewing po at sa napakagandang si Miss Claudine Bombahay. Now San Fernando with a ball possession. Aguilar shooting from the distance, no good, but a quick offensive rebound once again by San Fernando, owning the court of Pamplona in this first minute of the game. And Gabriel with a reverse layup. That's the back-to-back points for Gabriel.
Or it's famously known as ngayon, partner, as the Pinoy step.
Pinoy step si Gabriel. Buti hindi si Jordan Poole.
Oh, uy, si Jordan Poole.
And with a fadeaway shot by Abayon, but didn't connect. Now, playing slow and shoots from the distance, no good. For San Fernando, that was Gabriel once again releasing the ball in hope of 3 consecutive shots. No runaway shots for Gabriel, but he missed this time. Now San Fernando once again with the ball.
Parang ano dito, partner, very festive ang environment.
Hinahanap ko nga kung nasaan yung tunog. Parang may drum and lyre na dadaan. But with that, San Fernando once again, no, taking this game with a 6-point lead. Tingnan natin kung mapapanindigan nila itong lead until the very end of the game. Still, no, Gainza paving their way with a jump shot made by one of the players. I didn't catch the number, partner. Sino yung nakapuntos? Nakita mo ba, partner?
Di, partner, masyadong mabilis yung pangyayari.
Oo, napaka-quick shot, no? And with a fast break for Gainza, and the White, no, lose the ball. and recovered. That's number 19, Abayan with a good hustle. Passes to the side, loses the ball, and intercepted once again by San Fernando. At nag-usap-usap muna sila sa baba with a quick 3-point attempt. No other than, of course, Asibor. Walang iba kundi si Asibor.
Okay, and actually, pinangalanan na namin to ni Coach Nuki last time as the sniper ng San Fernando. At pinaninindigan niya ngayon yung pangalan niyang sniper by hitting a walk-in 3 points off the transition.
Napagandang 3 points yon kasi nothing but net. And another second attempt, ang sumpa, partner.
Oo.
Pag napupuri, nag-miss.
Binabati mo naman. And actually, the shot of Asibor is actually, tawag nito, complemented by his teammates, especially ito si Mr. Benedicto. Talagang trinail niya yung rebound and converts the offensive possession.
Napakagandang pasa, no, and connection ng San Fernando. Now, driving the ball from coast to coast. And a teardrop made by Beltran. Securing the point for his team. Napakagandang laruan.
So this will be a tale of spurts, partner, with San Fernando showing up their young lineup while Gainsa's lineup is comparatively older.
But despite the generation gap na tinatawag, Paraiso is showing that I can play with the youngsters, because I'm a veteran player.
And with that perimeter jump shot from the lefty tank player of San Fernando, Gainsa calls timeout.
And that shot was brought to you by, of course, Hotel St. Elise. If bibisita kayo sa Legazpi, please visit our sponsors. And this replay is, of course, brought to you by the IMBC, one of the leading multimedia organization here in Bicol region.
If not the best yan, partner.
Tama.
If not the best.
With their high-end equipment and very organized live streaming. Napapanood tayo, hindi lang ng mga taga dito sa Pamplona, hindi lang sa Camarines Sur, even nationally and even our friends from abroad. So you may visit our Facebook page at Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, at sa FB page, of course, ni Congressman Saldico. Live na live din tayo sa YouTube. You may follow, subscribe, and share Ako Bicol Cup in our YouTube channel. With that jumper, no good. With a good offensive rebound, pinasa ulit for the second attempt. And he nailed the shot. That's, I think, Abayon.
San Fernando actually allowing such ill-advised shots and offensive rebounds from Gainsa.
And it was a good rejection, a defense made with a Eurostep and a teardrop. That's a 2-0 run. Napakagandang timeout yon ng Gainsa against San Fernando. Now Asibor once again, pump fakes, drives into the key against 4. Pinasa sa gilid.
Sa kick-out pass.
Tumira, still no good. Rejected. Another attempt.
And now Gainsa gets the ball from off the fast break and scores. And just like that, biglang nag-8-0 run ang Gainsa.
Napakagandang cutting skills, cutting the lead into 5 points, but Asibor, being the sniper himself, throws the ball and the fast break, napaka-accurate. Pwede itong mag-rugby. Ang tawag.
Pinpoint pass right between the eyes sa fast break.
Pinpoint accuracy brought to you by Mesibis Bay.
Just like that, a 10-0 run by Gainsa. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner, huwag mong tutulugan yung mga ganitong team because of course, the veteran team of Gainsa showing up in this game. If San Fernando does not change their defensive defense, tatalunin talaga sila dito. As you can see, dikit na yung score with the San Fernando only having this 3-point lead.
And if you notice, partner, I don't know if, correct me if I'm wrong, from my vantage point, I think there's no coach in the Gainsa's bench. So sila yung nag-uusap, and I think there are only 6 or 7 players
Oo,
So,
partner.
mukhang-
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, last time natalo yung San Fernando, depleted yung lineup ng Libmanan. Baka meron silang Achilles heel sa mga depleted lineup na
Oh.
team.
Maybe dahil kulang yung player, kailangan magpursige. So tingnan natin. So the timeout was actually called by the player themselves.
Okay.
So napagandang pag-uusap yun. What a drive! No, pero hindi na-convert ni
Oo.
Gabriel into a point, but at least there was a foul called on the point maker kanina, si Paraiso.
A good drive by Gabriel against the 2-3 defense. Slicing and dicing. And that's what you do against a 2-3 defense. You attack the middle, you force the collapse, and hopefully, if the ring is open, itira mo na yung layup or kick out pass sa corners.
And with that, Gabriel loses the opportunity for the first point. So while he's taking his shots and the line, tawagin muna natin ang ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez. Carmela, take it away.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter tonight. We're still live dito sa Pamplona Covered Court para sa ating Game 2. And this time, maglalaban ang both teams na galing sa pagkatalo, ang Team San Fernando at Gainza. Kaya talaga namang this matchup is a bounce-back matchup para sa both teams. Kanina nga nakausap ko si Coach Joshua Garcia ng Team San Fernando at ayon sa kanya, they have to push harder and give their all dahil hindi na sila pwede matalo pa upang hindi malagay ang kanilang team sa alanganin dito sa ating elimination round. Sa Team Gainza naman ay kulang na naman sila ng players kaya mas kailangan daw nila magtrabaho sa loob ng ating hardcourt upang makapuntos at makisabayan sa kanilang kalaban. Kaya pakabangan pa at mas tutukan pa ang mga kaganapan dito sa ating hardcourt dahil marami pang aksyon ang mga mangyayari. You can also watch us live sa Ako Bicol Portals page at Ako Bicol Online TV at sa page ng Representative Zaldico. Once again, this is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Carmela Hernandez. So tama nga, no, na-confirm ng ating courtside reporter na depleted ang players ng Gainza. So they have to double their effort. And of course, their stamina. So given that they are in their middle age, most of the players.
Oo.
So tingnan natin if they can
Parang ang
sustain it.
parang ang overstatement yung yung middle age mo.
Kaya kailangan, ito na yung tinatawag nilang kayod kalabaw.
Oo, kayod kalabaw talaga.
Ang gagawin ng Gainza, But so far, they're doing good, Despite the early advantage of San Fernando, they were able to recover after that very good timeout.
That's a good observation, Jello. Actually, Gainza is not doing anything special against San Fernando. They're just playing to their strengths. Unfortunately, sa San Fernando naman, they're playing a very impatient basketball, shooting careless 3 points off the transition, and they're not converting it.
So parang kanina lang na laro, nagmamadali. Pero tingnan natin, if they will try to slow their pace, or they will continue, rushing, the run and gun strategy. So 44 of San Fernando, that's Beltran,
Splits the free throw.
the second shot, but not the first one. He splits the free throw. Gainza with the ball possession. Inside with a quick shot, but didn't make it. That was a trick shot. I think medyo nag-struggle na yung bola.
Yun na yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner. Masyado nilang fino-force yung issue. Pwede na yung ipasa. Again,
Pero pinilit pa rin.
Gainza just playing to their strengths. They're just moving the ball, giving the ball to whoever wants to shoot the ball open. And yun na nga.
But yan, the young ones are running like wind. So, advantage yun, Pag may fast break, ang bilis tumakbo, naiiwan yung iba. And another one, fast break to Beltran.
Oo, napakagandang early big trail by Beltran on the transition. Dapat yan yung ginagawa niya. Kasi lamang na lamang sa dito in terms of conditioning, partner.
And with that, Gainza attempted from long distance, but didn't nail it.
Slowly but surely, partner, naging 21 na yung score ng San Fernando. So that's a 7-point lead. So tignan natin kung mag-normalize na yung yung ginagawa nila sa loob.
Okay, they tried another 3-point. So pinasok na si Biquillo dito. No, at inilabas muna si Aguirre. So tingnan natin no, if there will be a change no, in the momentum of Gainsa. But still, it was intercepted. And another, ito na yung 3 beses ginawa. No, fast break. Hindi na nakakababa.
Sabi nga partner, speed kills, and really at this juncture, first quarter pa lang, nakikita natin yung advantage ng running off the transition ng San Fernando.
Tama, and that Dipsido layup was brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Spins, but there was a rejection from behind, but the whistle was blown.
Yes.
So they are pushing inside, and when there's an opportunity, they throw the ball from beyond the line.
Yes, and apparently partner, nakikita na natin kung ano ba talaga yung mga keys to the game na dapat gawin ng San Fernando to secure this victory. And also, on the end of Gainsa, kung ano yung dapat nilang gawin, yung mga bright sides nila sa offense and defense in order to also secure, hopefully, the win.
Kasi pareha sila, no, as mentioned a while ago, pareha sila galing sa talo. Sayang nung assassin attempt na ni number 19, no? He lost the opportunity for an easy point, no, si Aguilar.
Knockout play sana yon, partner.
Pero medyo nag-slip yung bola sa kanyang kamay. Now with the rebound, nice hustle for San Fernando. Asibor once again with the ball, passes it to the side, throws the ball, still no good. Another rebound. Sana ng San Fernando, but it was stripped and tipped away by Gainsa. So they have 14 seconds to complete the play. And with that, no, ang bilis ng first quarter natin. 24 seconds na lang ang natitira sa unang quarter ng laro.
Tignan natin kung what do they decide to do here at the end seconds ng first quarter.
5 seconds, they
ngayon na
decided to make a troubling
turnover.
violation.
Mga simple again, mga unforced error. These are things na talagang mapapakamot ka pag coach ka.
And that shot clock is off. No, 10 seconds to play. Now we're down to 5. Attacking the key with a teardrop using the board at their advantage, but didn't make it. The remaining seconds was out of bounds.
And out of time na tayo,
And
partner.
out of time na din. So yan, we're ending the first quarter with a score of 23 for San Fernando and 14 for Gainsa.
Yes, and apparently, maganda yung pag-show up ng Gainsa sa first quarter because they forced an early timeout from a younger and a more conditioned team. So ibig sabihin talaga naman dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, wala ka dapat ditong tinutulugan kasi kagaya ng first game natin, di natin in-expect pero we went down the wire. So ganun dapat ka-prudent ang mga team dito because this is the league of the best and this is brought to you by none other than Ako Bicol Party List and ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico.
Tama,
Thank you
partner.
po. Oo.
Thank you for bringing us the Ako Bicol Cup here in Camarines Sur.
Oo.
So for those of you who just tuned in, nung mapapanood po yung first game natin, that was Minalabak versus Libmanan. No? Napakagandang laro. Git-gitan ang labanan. So pwede nyong mapanood sa replay. Nakapost po yan just before this game. And with that, we're back to the ball game. With a good defensive rebound no, after a 3-point attempt and another fast break. So they are utilizing the fast break so that they would not run out of gas. No? Kasi kung bababa at aakyat sila paulit-ulit, no, I think they will not last until fourth quarter. So I think this is a good strategy.
Or in short, partner, the up and down tempo does not play to the advantage of Team Gainsa here.
So yan, 2 points and I think there was an announce from beyond the arc as well. Now with a favorite teardrop of Abayon sana pero hindi pumasok.
Nakikita na natin kahit yung Team Gainsa ay very relentless in actually attacking the basket. So again, kahit pa comparatively mas matatanda to, fearless yung mga players ng Team Gainsa. Talagang nagpapakita sila ngayong araw na to. They're here to play, ika nga.
Tama, parang sinasabi, magmano ka muna sa akin.
Oo.
Papunta ka pa lang, no, nakabalik na ako. Pero tingnan natin, no, kasi most people would think na automatic, no, pag young yung mga players, they will slash the opponents that are older than them. Pero Gainsa, no, is showing their best to play with San Fernando. Now, San Fernando on the line.
Armendi.
He didn't make the first shot.
Oo. Let's see if he gets the second one or mababati na naman siya ngayon.
Ng ating mahiwagang salita. Pero hindi
Oh,
naman,
yan na.
no? He made one chicken
In the bucket.
in the bucket.
Baka naman yung chicken in the bucket natin
Mapunta
dyan,
dito sa
partner. Oo.
Pwede po kayong magpadala sa amin, no? Eurostep into a layup. Napakagandang play. Yun na yung $1 million play, but a centavo shot. And what a play! That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. No, they are gaining their confidence. They are showing off. Of course, kasi wala nang bumaba. So, what better way to show our dominance than dunking the ball.
What a play, partner.
Eto
So,
na.
an alley-oop.
Alley-oop and the dunk sana, no?
Ang tawag doon, partner, tip dunk, but a very impressive tip dunk coming from, I think, 5'5" na player.
A very good jumper, no, from San Fernando. But Gainsa is not losing heart here. No, they are trailing and recovering. Now they're only down with 8 points against San Fernando, the younger team. San Fernando once again relentlessly. Walang awa. That 3-point is brought to you by Mesibis Bay.
So what you can do, I can do better, sabi ng San Fernando. And they're now speeding the tempo.
And Alfonso against all odds. May sumabay.
Oo.
Pero
And gets
tinawag
rewarded.
ng referee.
That's actually a good challenge by Armendi. But unfortunately, the referees were able to see the body contact before the slap on the ball.
Of course,
Oo.
napakagaling ng ating mga referee. They are the SBP, no, the best of the best
Best of the best.
here
Okay.
in Camarines Sur.
Nandyan yung isa nating shout out dyan si Ronnie Malinisa, isa sa mga galing na referee natin dito.
Veteran, no?
Veteran.
Yung mga dugyot pa lamang kami. Sila na yung nagre-referee sa, hindi lang, no, sa mga big leagues, even sa mga barangay leagues.
I remember when I was still playing in high school, nakikita ko na yung pagmumukha niya sa mga competition.
Shout out sa inyo, ref, no, at sa buong SBP team for being very efficient in their officiating. Of course, caliber talaga, hindi lang yung mga referee, pati yung mga players at yung tech team natin dito.
Siyempre, ano ba tong liga na to? Ako Bicol Cup lang naman to, partner.
The highest, no, if not the best league here in Bicol region. And I think they're planning, no, after the provinces in Bicol, they'll sponsor leagues outside. And with that, no, as I was saying, that's a very big rejection, no, on the attempt of 44. That's Paraiso. No? Pero I think he was holding his nose. No, pero yan, walang tinawag doon ng referee. Baka nasagi lang.
And yun na, partner, may naka 3 points na naman sa Gainsa.
That 3-point is brought to you by, of course, Hotel Venetia. So visit niyo po sila sa Albay. With that, malinaw na traveling violation.
No contest on that. Good catch by the officiating.
So yan, sa mga nagpaplanong bumisita sa Albay, no, naka-flash kanina sa screen yung mga hotel and ecotel natin at mga resorts, no. So baka naman po, voucher lang, no. 1-day pass or 1-night voucher.
Mga magaganda na mga hotels and very accommodating with their very accommodating staff as
And of
well.
course, very affordable and very generous for powering our and sponsoring our event, no, our basketball game here.
Salamat sa inyo.
Thank
sa
you
mga
so much
sponsors
po.
namin. And especially, syempre, si Congressman Saldico and the Ako Bicol Party List.
Katabang na, kasurog pa. Tingnan natin, no, if what will happen in the second quarter after that foul. No?
So
hold.
Gainsa splits the free throw there, partner.
And now, because of that, they are only on a 9-point deficit against San Fernando. So tingnan natin if mamaintain ito or papalubuhin pa ng San Fernando ang kanilang kalamangan with their attempts both inside and outside. And with that, easily we're back to a 2-digit lead. No, that's Benedicto of San Fernando.
That's actually a floating pass coming from Gabriel, a very unselfish pass. Actually, kala ko mag-overpassing sila. Good hands on the part of Benedicto converting muna on that pass.
And once again, no, the shooter for Gainsa, no, making his attempt to penetrate but failed. No, that's Paraiso. So I think they're relying for Paraiso in penetrating the basket.
That was actually a shot block.
But now Abayon, no, showing his 3-point skills.
That's actually the second 3-pointer of Abayon in this quarter, partner.
Napaganda, pero grabe ang ball movement dito ng San Fernando. Attacking the key against the 3. Walang takot. I think it was Benedicto.
Benedicto, partner, nakangiti pa yan. Parang naka-joker vibes yung Benedicto ngayon, partner. Goods na goods yung galawan
Goods na
natin,
goods.
partner.
Jordan Poole. Uy, pinasa. And to the side, fires a 3. That's 3 points. Grabe si Abayon, no? Back to back to back.
That's the third 3-pointer, partner. Very bad coverage on the part of San Fernando and choosing an ill-advised 3 points on their side.
Tama, I think they are underestimating the power here of Abayon from the outside. So hindi nila binabantayan masyado. And if you can see, he's always free, but he didn't make that one. Now, San Fernando. I was expecting for a dunk, but again, no, securing the basket comes first.
Oo, sabi ni Gabriel, siniswerte kayo masyado. Isa lang muna.
Paisa naman. Here we go with Gainsa. Abayon with a quick 3-point attempt. Of course, no, there's no such thing as a perfect shooter. He missed that one. Asibor once again with a good footwork and a nice pass to the side with a jumper but didn't convert it to a point.
Short doon, parang crocodile arm niya yung jumper niya. Talagang hindi yung papasok. Medyo nagduda siya sa gagawin niya.
Now Aguirre being trapped. He threw the ball to Virgilio. Virgilio rather. But it was
A turnover. Oo. The ball went out.
So nag-struggle sila, no, kasi 7 players lang pala sila. So 2 might rest but the rest must go on. And a quick pass inside to the outside and without a guard, of course, you will shoot. And on a second attempt, drive niya na lang, steps into the line and that's a turnover.
Oo nga, partner. So, that could have been an easy kick-out pass on his part. Pero opted to drive the ball against the wall of defense there presented by Gainsa.
Tama. Or he could have shot the ball once again kasi
oo.
finid sa kanya ulit, no? Parang, sige pare, tira mo pa. Kasi lamang naman tayo, pero he attempted to drive the ball inside. Now, San Fernando intercepted by Gainsa. Gainsa, no, despite the lack of players, they are still running like Tamaraws and a quick feed and pass using the board straight into the basket. Nice play there for Gainsa, cutting the lead into 7 points.
Gainsa being prudent here, partner. Talagang they're trying to convert off the unforced errors of San Fernando.
Tama, no, and they really persisted even in the defense. No, that's why there was a contact and the foul called on the side of Gainsa. So Noora will step into the line to throw the ball.
On the line, oo.
So that's one for Noora.
Noora with a Wakali free throw shot.
Ano kaya to ng professor ko sa physics dati, no, na the legendary Ma'am Tessa Noora.
Shout out sa'yo.
No, the top 9 in the licensure exam, no, the legend, magna cum laude physics. Napakagandang Ma'am Tessa Noora. Shout out sa'yo kung nanonood ka po.
Parang pinayakan yan, partner, nung ikaw ay
Oh, may mahirap talaga yung subject. Wag na nating pag-usapan. So,
Okay,
back to the ball game. Asibor throwing the ball.
Oo,
good.
sabi nga niyan sa atin dito, namatay yung butiki doon sa
Namatay
shot
yung
attempt
butiki.
na yon.
Oo, mukhang nawala agad yung golden hands, no? Yung
Oo.
Midas sa kamay ni Hand of Midas ni Asibor. So, nagwa-warm up.
Parang
Siguro.
napuling yung sniper natin ngayong araw, partner.
And with that chit chat partner, no, without realizing it, 3 na lang ang kalamangan ng
Yes.
San Fernando.
Again, sabi ko sa inyo, Gainsa playing very prudent offense and defense.
And minsan, no, even whatever game, if you are pushed at the end, no, you will persevere. Parang ito yung goal nung ng Gainsa. Napakagandang tira naman yon.
Partner!
Oh, using his body,
Sumabay
fades
pa.
away, maximizing the board and hitting the basket.
Oh, partner, kukuha na sana ako ng microscope. Sasabihin ko, anong height mo, boy?
Napakaganda. Napakagandang tira, no? Again, sa mga nanonood natin, for sure you are being satisfied with the performance of both teams. No, San Fernando maintaining their lead while Gainsa being the underdogs, no, for this game kasi nga, no, sa kaka-tune in lang, 7 lang po silang naglalaro without their coach, no, for some reason, but they are hustling. No, and they are pushing their way despite their
Specifically,
disadvantage.
partner, on the side of Gainsa, we have Angelito Abayon carrying the bulk of the offense for Gainsa this quarter. So makikita mo, 3 of 4 atang 3-pointers ngayon na second quarter. And just like that, that spin move against Gabriel, converting it as if walang bantay.
Tama, napakaganda, no? 3 out of 4, no? That's a 75% percentage for his attempts, no? And ang ine-expect natin, no, and mostly ng ating mga audience na nagbabantay sa San Fernando, papaulinan din tayo ng tres, no, ng San Fernando, especially Asibor, no? Pero medyo nag-struggle pa siyang kumonekta ngayon
Baka
sa basket.
sabi nga may mga terms kami dyan sa during my time, sabi nila baka decarburador daw, partner, hindi
Oo.
pa umiinit.
Oh, nagiinit pa lang yung karburador. Tingnan natin. And he attempted but he drives with a nice pass to Beltran. Napakagandang Asibor Beltran connection yun, no? The AB connection. Now, Antonio, number 9.
Para natandaan ko, partner, AB normal connection.
AB
Parang AB normal connection.
Asibor again, what a pass! Grabe naman yung mga pasa. No, that pass and play was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Para tayo dito, partner, nakakakita ng laro ng tennis. Parang hampas dito, hampas doon.
Tama.
The quick up and down of the players on both ends.
Both a blind bounce pass yun and another 3 points by Beltran. Nagbabaga ang kamay ni Beltran ngayon, no? Of course.
Just like that, partner, calmly regains the composure for Team San Fernando. Unfortunately, sayang nun. Ayun, yun na nga.
Nabitin yung unfortunately pero na-connect tayo kang ipaya, partner.
Sabi niya, kala nyo hinintay ko lang yung bantay. Start padding yon, partner. Start padding yun.
Tama. No, may telepathy kayo doon.
Oo.
And with that, another 3-point attempt. No, parang narinig nila ang aking bleed kanina. Didn't make it, but it was put back by Noliora.
Oo.
Here we go, Gainsa once again attacking the key with a finger roll. Napakagandang drive yon ni Aguirre.
Oo, partner, parang dinaanan lang, walang bantay.
Walang bantay. At napaganda sana nga reverse layup pero hindi kumonekta. At ngayon hindi na tumatakbo yung San Fernando, so that's 2 against 1. Piece of cake for Abayon.
Oo, partner. Nakakahiya yung youth dito ng San Fernando kung pag-uusapan natin. They're actually not going down on defense.
Mukhang
Opting to
mapapalito to.
play offense.
And another one sana, but good thing, no? Beltran defended the fast break. So with 24 seconds remaining, tingnan natin, Asibor throwing from long distance, no good. Binalik kay Asibor, umatake against 4. What a
Wala
nice drive,
talaga.
pero wala pa rin. Beltran pushing his way, doing his job. With shot clock is off, 10 seconds. That's 1 against 2. And 3, pinasa sa labas at
Abayon!
tinira Abayon! Yan.
Sayang.
Abayon! Wala.
Sayang yung partner.
Sayang.
Sayang nga talaga.
But still, good hustle for both teams. No, that's the end of the first half. So magbabalik po kami after the break.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is Angelo Espinicilia, your play-by-play commentator, and with me is
Coach Mark, your game analyst for this game.
And for those who just tuned in, you are watching the Game 2 of Day 17 of Ako Bicol Cup, brought to you by, of course, Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurug pa.
Oo. And shoutout ko lang yung mga kapwa ko commentator dyan, si Coach Pitpit na recently nag-gender reveal at yung nagsiselebrate ng kanyang anniversary with the wife, si Coach Nuknuk sa Sorsogon, kaya lang may sakit daw siya.
Yan, shout out Coach Pete and Coach Nuki. And with that, Asibor driving from coast to coast, making the first point for the third quarter of the game. Stay tuned lang kayo mga kaibigan kasi this is the second game of our 3 games. Ang last game natin right after this match is Milacor versus the home court, Pamplona. So quick revenge by Abayon. Asibor once again with the ball. Passes to Aguilar. Aguilar looking for his teammate. Pass to the side. Drives the ball and a jumper. No good. No, he didn't make the connection.
Oo, partner.
For that shot.
Gainsa, slowly but surely, side by side with San Fernando here.
And I think they are conserving their energy. That's why they are utilizing the shot clock at their advantage. Kasi given that they only have 7 players inside the court. And with that, a quick breakaway made by San Fernando. Credits to Gabriel and for the teammate who passed.
Si Asibor.
Si Asibor. Nice pass. And spins with a reverse, with a layup, but didn't connect. However, there's a foul called, or I think it was out of bounds.
Out of bounds, partner, yung tinawag.
So, 14 seconds to make the shot.
So, San Fernando is playing man-to-man defense against Gainsa. I think they were able to realize that kulang nga yung players.
Napakaganda nga ng Gainsa, no? Deflecting his guard, even his teammate.
Oo, parang naging Beyblade yun doon, partner.
Ang bumangga, giba.
Oo, talaga yan yung totoong slicing and dicing. Oo.
But of course, hindi papatalo ang San Fernando with their revenge 2-point made by Beltran.
Oo, na a good cut and a good recognition pass coming from Aguilar.
And I think Beltran had made plenty points so far for this game.
So AB normal connection na naman, partner.
Tama,
Aguilar and Beltran connection.
Napakaganda, no? A, driving the ball and B, shooting it.
Oo.
Napakaganda sana nga lipad ni Abayon, pero kinapos ng kaunti. And there's a sigh there for Abayon, a disappointment, a disbelief. At dinaanan lang siya. Mukhang pinaprocess niya pa yung tira niya kanina. And with that, Beltran made his back-to-back points. No, kailangan na makarecover ng Gainsa.
Nag-reflect muna si Abayon doon, lumilipad. Lumilipad na naman ng isip.
Tingnan natin kung nakarecover na ang Gainsa for that. Kasi they are being led astray, or naiiwan na sila sa puntos. Kasi after the halftime, 11-point lead na naman ang kalamangan ng San Fernando.
I think San Fernando realizes, partner, that they need to play fast and play physical against a depleted lineup.
Tama,
hopefully. Yan yung nasisense ko.
And I think I do agree with you kasi knowing that they've been running since the first quarter, kailangan mong ubusin yung gasolina na makipagkarera ka kasi they have the luxury of the players against Gainsa. And Asibor with that shot brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Oo, baka naman Hotel St. Elise.
Visit their hotel po, napakaganda.
Napakaganda talaga.
Hotel,
sana makapunta kami dyan.
Yan, magpapakilala na lang kami.
Oo.
And with that, hindi pa rin papatinag ang Gainsa.
Oo, partner, again, side by side. If they can be able to keep the score close.
Napakagandang rejection yun.
Oo. If Gainsa remains prudent here, partner, and play side by side with San Fernando, this would be a very good and exciting ball game at the end.
No? I think they still have the shot, no, to win this game if they continue
Oo
their
naman, partner. Ang haba pa.
ng oras, no? Tama. But with that, Asibor playing his feet and Beltran securing the point sana, pero wala pa rin. Second attempt, uses his body, spins, and nailed the basket. Grabe naman ang hustle nito ni Beltran.
Parang sabi niya doon, partner, height is might. Anong height mo din?
Grabe ang ating AB connection.
AB connection talaga, partner. A for the pass,
And
B for the shot. Oh.
Napakagandang play ng Gainsa. Tingnan naman natin kung meron ding AB connection ang Gainsa, no, Abayon to Berquillo or AP. But with that, it was slightly rejected, so it resulted to a fast break and an easy layup. No, kahit tatlo yung nasa baba, napakabilis ng takbo ni Gabriel. No, Gabriel.
Parang takbong pustahan yun, partner. Ayaw magpakita.
Parang kumuha ka ng kalapati at itinakbo mo sa finish line. But with that, 26 uses his body. Abayon, no, and Aguirre, no, missed that shot. So Abayon tried, but still. Now Asibor, 3 against 1. But I think that was a good foul.
Oo, good foul on the side of Gainsa. Bad recognition on the part of San Fernando. Tira na yun. Oo, sayang nun, partner. Nevertheless, it was a good fast break possession kasi nakabinwit pa rin sila ng foul.
Now, Paraiso being the playing coach, no, I think is a municipal kagawad in Gainsa, is gathering, no, the thoughts of his team. So that shot, no, runaway shot made by Gabriel a while ago. Now, eto, napagandang tira din ito ni Aguirre.
Oo, talagang sinawsaw muna. Yung sinasabi natin, sinawsaw.
And si Beltran, no, against all odds. Kumbaga, inaararo niya talaga yung at yun, hook pass. To Beltran, grabe.
Off the shoulder pass. Oo, no look off the shoulder pass, partner.
So Asibor showing that he can shoot 3, he can attack, and he can create a good play for his team. That's why I think for several times he was noted as the best player, no, and even player of the week, no, for the 3rd week of Ako Bicol Cup, if I'm not mistaken. Now Gainsa with the ball with 15 seconds remaining.
And the ball remains with Gainsa, partner. And substitution on the part of San Fernando. Always keeping keeping their lineup fresh inside the court.
Of course, because I think their strategy is the run and gun approach, no? Fast break tayo, use our speed and endurance against the depleted team of Gainsa. But nonetheless, Aguirre making that Mesibes way shot of the game.
Actually, partner, yung mga ganong tira, bihira ko na yung makita. Parang mga veterans move ba?
Veterans talaga. No? They're showing off that they can play with all might.
Oo, andun din on the side of San Fernando, Roseller Monay slicing and dicing the defense, finishing strong on the right.
And once again, an attempt to penetrate inside, but in a battle of running, as we've been mentioning, Asibor made the shot. No, that's the run and gun made by Asibor, brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Oo.
Abayon, once again, ayaw nang tumira sa tres. So he stepped closer and attempted a jump shot.
Actually,
but still
partner,
no good.
meron tayong dalawang Abayon dito, if I'm not mistaken, 19 and 9.
Oh, that's the other Abayon, Wilson. That's why he pushed through. No, I was wondering kasi kanina, Abayon number 19 would often try to shoot from the distance.
Kala mo nagkagibunsin, partner, no? Dalawa yan.
Dalawang Abayon.
Dalawang Abayon.
Abayon?
Oo. So just like that, partner, we have a 19-point lead, if I'm not mistaken, from San Fernando.
Ito na yung parang resulta, no, nung pagod. Oo, kasi if this is just a one-quarter game, no, I think very efficient yung ginawa ng Gainsa. Pero since this is a game with 4 quarters, no, with 10 minutes each, mukhang mahirapan talaga ang Gainsa. And with that, A very long distance shot. Yun na yung sinasabi natin. No, the sniper brought to you by Highlands. Legazpi.
Parang mainit na yung karburador, partner.
Tama.
Uminit
At
na.
napakagaling ng ating sponsor, no, Highlands. Doon talaga pwesto yung mga tulad ni Asibor na sniper with a great
Highlands.
vantage point. No, visit nyo po ang Highlands Legazpi. No, Asibor asking, pero Beltran took the initiative. And a good offensive rebound inside.
Oo, what a very impressive Android-like rebound by Nolyora, their partner. And hindi lang yun, kinonvert niya pa.
And with that, no, napabayaan sana yung Gainsa, pero still, no luck on their attempt. Asibor. Again, from a meter away from the three-point line. Again, that's, I think, a very ambitious one. Pero,
akala ko gumalaw yung ring.
kung in-adjust sana, no?
Oo, in-adjust sana.
Pero I think that is a justifiable shot given his accuracy despite being far, far away from the basket.
Siyempre, sabi mo nga, partner, wala namang perfectong shooter. Talagang mimintis at mimintis ka talaga.
Now, Abayon, heavily guarded. Barely crosses the half court. So he's looking for someone. Almost intercepted with 10 seconds to play.
So Mona is pestering Abayon here. Kaya lang, San Fernando failing to secure that rebound.
And that's shot was brought to you by the playing coach, Kagawad Paraiso.
I think that was Berquillo,
Berquillo partner.
Berquillo partner. And pakashoot niya, takbong
Akala ko.
Chavi sa pababa. Sabi
Chavi.
niya, kala nyo ha, kinakalimutan nyo ako dito.
Napakagandang description naman.
Partner. Takbong Chavi, parang yung chocolate.
Parang chill lang na chill jog. Securing and of course conserving his energy. So 2 minutes remaining time for our third quarter, mga kaibigan. San Fernando is roasting Gainsa right now, pero they're trying to get away from the hell that they are into. Itong Gainsa. Now, with their ball possession, tingnan natin kung anong magagawa nila for the remaining minutes of this third period. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Mukhang they cannot create the connection. So, Abayon, Welson throws the ball. And with that, another breakaway, fast break.
Di na bumaba yung bola sa floor, partner. Talagang diretso pasa and diretso sa ring. A good transition pass by Monay to Armendi on that sequence.
From a pass straight into a basket. Medyo nag-struggle na nga ang ating Gainsa in penetrating the defense of San Fernando. So that's again 4 against 3. But tinamaan yung board.
Pinahirapan yung sarili. At
San Fernando, third attempt, no good pa rin. Hassle, great hassle by San Fernando, having the fourth opportunity. And he uses his body to push, and that's a foul called on Abayon.
It's a foul on Angelito Abayon.
Si Abayon A. Si AA. With 14-second shot clock and seconds to play, tingnan natin kung ang ball possession ng San Fernando ay mako-convert into a point. With that,
and that's an air ball, partner.
Kala ko nothing but net.
Kala ko nothing but net nga. Yung tinamaan. Yung
hindi
tinamaan.
yung basket. So eto na.
Kala ko naduling ako doon, partner. Sabi ko, ano nangyari?
Airball. Buti na lang nandyan si Kappa Morgan.
And that's a good defense. The length of Armendi bothering the passing lanes of Gainsa.
And securing the basket for their teams. Napakagandang play ang pinapakita dito ni San Fernando. Tinambakan nila ang Gainsa on the third quarter. And Gainsa will be having difficulty. They really have to step up, double the effort for the fourth quarter. A very crunch period for them.
Sabi ko nga dyan, partner, with this kinds of situation, if you want to get back on the fourth quarter, you have to play spotless.
Tama. And with that, I think that's the end of our third period. Mga kaibigan, with a score 83-55.
Talagang makikita naman natin, partner, parang narinig tayo ng San Fernando. Parang kanina pa tayo pinagtitirpa ng dalawa. Mabuti pa ayusin na natin yung laro natin. Diba? So,
dito ang ating replay partner, no, brought to us by IMBC. Napagandang pasa ni Aguilar kay Beltran, no, the EB connection. Of course, this replay, aside from IMBC, is powered by Mississippi Bay,
Highlands, Legazpi,
and Hotel St. Elise.
And syempre, ang Hotel Benicia. Salamat sa aming mga sponsors. And of course, salamat din sa Ako Bicol Cup, sponsored by none other than Ako Bicol Party List, sa ating mabutihin at napakabait na congressman. Salamat po sa pagdala ng Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Kamsur.
And that's none other than Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Napakagandang laro, no? Ever since day 1, and with parang with a blink of an eye, nandito na tayo sa day 17 ng ating elimination round. No, kaabang-abang ang magiging semifinals at finals, no, ng mga inter-district games natin. So with that, San Fernando, no, with the ball possession for starting the fourth quarter, still no good, pero grabe yung offensive rebound ng San Fernando. No, if you've noticed, partner, grabe yung attempts nila, because of the rebounds and the
partner.
hustle.
Talagang they are making sure that they will get multiple shot attempts after a single shot possession.
Tama. And dito naman sa side ng Gainsa, no, because probably of their exhaustion, after one shot, no, they are not able to recover, no, the rebound, and then nag-struggle sila bumaba. Kaya laging at a disadvantage sila. Like this one, 4 against 3. And as if they're saying, sige, the point is yours now, babawi na lang kami ulit sa offensive. And it's becoming a cycle.
Partner. Hopefully, again, ang basketball, yung mga nanonood, basketball is a game of possession. Hindi ibig sabihin na lumobo yung lamang. This is actually the end of the ball game. Hindi pa. We still have miles and miles para sa larong ito.
Tama.
We don't know what's going to happen.
And that's a good hustle by Wilson, no? Even though there was no teammate back then, he saved the ball, no, from getting out of bounds.
And ayun na, partner.
Ito na naman nga, that's 3-man with nothing, no, on the other side of the court. So I think with the big lead, medyo nadidisheartened na ng kaunti ang ating Gainsa, but they're playing their hearts out. Good call there by the referee.
Foul there
on Nuika.
Nuika, number 10 of San Fernando.
So yan, that's actually almost an interception by San Fernando. So it was stripped away but recovered.
Good defense on the part of San Fernando. Partner, talagang dinidikitan naman talaga nila yung their defending well against Gainsa. Hindi lang naman dahil sa siyempre gagaling sila, but of course, they're defending well.
And with that, the playing coach and the municipal councilor of Gainsa making a reverse layup. Napakagandang tira nun.
Kagawad.
Ni Kagawad Paraiso.
Parang may relief kaagad sa score.
Sa score. Despite the storming San Fernando, andito si Kagawad para rumisponde for his municipality.
Syempre naman, the ever reliable Kagawad Paraiso.
So yan, shoutout din sa ating Philippine Sports Commission and the province of Camarines Sur, no, for their support to this event. And another reverse layup naman sana ni Paraiso, no? Napakagandang tira. No, pero hindi lang kumonekta. And an alley-oop. 2 points.
A Gabriel to Armendi connection again of the fast break.
Sabi ni Kapa Morgan, no? Armendi! Napagandang boses ng ating arena announcer.
Siyempre, walang iba ang ating legendary na si Kapa Morgan.
Makakasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan sa third game as I am to step down and be with the referees later, no, to be the arena announcer. Kapa Morgan. Yan. Thank you sa ating direct.
Thank you direct for that correction.
Kapa Morgan, no. Kapa na, no, in Bicol, no, gamay na. Kapa Morgan.
Di ko alam ano bang other definition ng kapa?
Kapamilya. Oh, nice
ganun
one.
pala.
So, Kapamilya Morgan.
Siyempre.
Katabang na, kasurug pa, kapamilya pa.
Well, actually, partner, now I understand. Kaya naman pala napaka-warm ng boses ni
Ni Kapa Morgan.
Kapa Morgan. Kasi parang kapamilya nga yung turing sa'yo.
Napakagandang explanation yan, Coach Mark. And
Oo.
now we're back to our ball game with 7 minutes remaining time. And I think Abayon.
Abayon na naman.
Abayon na naman.
Angelito Abayon.
Making his
I think
another
fourth.
shot. Fourth out of 5.
Fourth 3-point attempt ni Abayon sa larong ito, partner.
Aguirre, supposedly, Kagawad trying sana for a pass break. Abayon throws the ball again from downtown.
Almost made it. In and out lang, partner.
Sayang, but Asibor pass to number 19 for a jumper. That's Aguilar. Pero wala pa rin. Quick pass to the side. That's 2 against 1. Good dribble and good ball handling.
Ano yun, partner? Tinignan. Again,
Grabe.
takbong Chabi pababa, partner. Ayun na nga.
Napagandang tira yun, and that shot was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise, of course.
Parang nilook away, partner.
And a volleyball save sana ng San Fernando, pero it was already outside. So the ball possession goes to Gainsa. Still struggling. Maybe there's a miracle that would occur here. And maybe they will win. Again, bilog ang bola. So tingnan natin.
Oo, partner. Siyempre naman. Di pa tapos ang laro. Napakahaba pa. 5 minutes and 45 seconds left in this ball game.
There's still time. There's still chance. Pero Asibor from downtown.
Misses the shot.
And a good defensive rebound. But intercepted by Beltran. Mukhang nag-slow mo na ang mga galaw because they are tired probably of running. And medyo chill na din yung laruan ng San Fernando given that they have a big advantage against their opponent Gainsa. So hindi na masyadong aggressive yung mga block attempts. Parang taas kamay na lang at konting pitik yung ginagawa.
And that's a very good shot from number 10. That is
I think Alfonso yung
Alfonso ba?
tinawag partner.
Alfonso? Oo, partner. Ayun na nga.
Number 10 si Alfonso. Shot with Tagay. Made to you by Alfonso.
Kahit partner, nakikita mo naman yung effort na binibigay dito sa atin ng Gainsa na kahit lamang na sila, ay lamang na lamang yung kalaban, they're still fighting to, I think, win the game. And with that, let's go muna to Carmela para sa kanyang report. Carmela, take it away.
At ngayon, nasa fourth quarter na tayo mga kasurog. Kitang-kita naman yung pag-boost ng lakas at pagtrabaho ng teams San Fernando upang makapuntos, and right now they are now leading in this game with a score of 91 points, and they just have to maintain their performance against Team Gainza. According to Coach Joshua, they just have to need some more ball pressures at maayos na depensa para makakuha ng sure win ngayong gabi. Dagdag pa niya, madami daw silang naging errors last game, kaya ngayon mas inayos nila at mas plinano ang kanilang playstyle. That's the latest update. Balik sa inyo, Coach Mark and Coach Angelo.
Thank you so much sa ating napakagaling at napagandang courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez. Now back to the ball game. We have on the line the player of San Fernando.
Noora.
Si Noora.
Number 18, shooting 2. So, converts the first one, partner. Kaya lang, nabati na naman.
And i-rebound niya sana yung sarili niyang tira. Napakasipag at napaka-hassle until the great hassle until the very end.
And again, partner, ayan na naman si Angelito Abayon. Instant offense sa side ng Gainsa. This guy's heart, hindi mababayaran. Talagang inaatake niya. Kahit anong mangyari, this is still anybody's ball game. We're still in this, and I think I need to drop this sa basket. At ayun na nga, partner.
If you've seen in the replay, no, that's 1 against 4. No, Abayon, heart strong. No, that's the heart of the Warrior. And Abayon connection. Abayon. No, 9 and 19. That's Wilson once again. No, ano kayo, magkapatid to? No, napakagandang...
kapatid or magpinsan.
Pero no, despite or nonetheless, napakagandang performance ng dalawang Abayon.
It's a traveling violation against San Fernando on, I think, Roseller Monay, partner.
And we really have to commend, partner, no, the heart of the players for Gainsa. No, hindi sumusuko, and I think there's
a stoppage, partner. I think there is a cut on the right eye of Beltran, or baka hindi ko alam kung ano.
I-check muna natin, partner. No? I think i-review ng ref or papalitan na lang for the meantime.
Kasi FIBA rules yan, partner. Di pwedeng may mga ganyan sa loob ng court. Automatically, the referee can stop the action inside to sub out a player that is most probably bleeding. Okay, yan
to avoid further injury.
Yes.
Of course, no, despite our goal to win, we have to prioritize the safety of our players.
Siyempre
That's why
naman.
we have a medic here, no? Of course, this is brought to you by Ako Bicol Cup. So covered lahat, no, na possible angles, no, for the player's safety. And yung mga minor details, no, like merong big rope at the back of the players, no, para hindi makapasok yung mga audience, no.
Talaga naman, partner. Organisado tong Ako Bicol Cup na to, partner.
Napakaganda. So with that, 10 seconds to play. Grabe pa rin yung depensa ng San Fernando. Grabe ang respetong ibinibigay nila sa Team Gainsa, no, playing their best, no, despite their big lead and securing every possession that they have. And that layup was brought to you by Besibis Bay. And with that, no, struggling hard si Aguirre. Pero that was a turnover.
And we have now the score 68-96 in favor of San Fernando with 3 minutes and 15 seconds left in this last quarter, partner.
So that's a 28-point lead of San Fernando against Gainsa. So nice ball handling and ball movement for San Fernando. And a breakaway pass sana, pero still stripped away by San Fernando. And Asibor, quick pass to the big man inside, but that's too much step.
That's a traveling, partner. So yan na yung mga... Siyempre, yung mga footwork natin, partner, that was supposed to be, di ka na dapat nag-step, diretso na momentum. Siyempre, medyo talagang matatapong ka doon, mag-extra step ka.
Tama, and napakagaling na tawag ng ating referee.
Mga eagle eye referee natin dito.
Matanglawin.
Abayon,
stolen. No, and with that, that's 3 against 1 once again, no? Armendi making the point, and exhaustion is now showing off on the side of Gainsa. No, they are not able to go back in their defense after making their offense. And kung mapapansin mo dito sa ating screen, medyo naglalakad na lang yung mga player.
Visible talaga, partner, on the part of Gainsa na lumalabas na talaga yung strain with the depleted lineup they are playing with right now. And of course, credits naman sa San Fernando defense for keeping their composure and, you know, the momentum ng laro. Di na talaga nila pinabalik yung Gainsa as of now.
Tama. And of course, no, this is the best that you can do as their playmate, 'di ba? Hindi kita kalaban, no, kalaro kita. So I will respect you by doing my best despite your disadvantage. So commended, no, both teams, San Fernando and of course, no, the heart-strong players, no, the 7-man team of Gainsa right now. And with that, we're down to the last 2 minutes of the game. And with that, despite being the ball, no, it could be anybody's ball game. I think it's safe to assume now.
Wala na, partner. No? I think it's safe to say talaga, partner, that this is not anybody's ball game anymore.
Rather, this is a secured win for San Fernando.
Sabi nga niyan sa Logic, categorically speaking, I think we can award a winner in this ball game.
And of course, no, those slides were brought to you by Coach Mark, a philo teacher in Ateneo. Nakapagaling, no? Kailangan din natin applyan siguro ng physics ang aking mga play-by-play like that one with an angular dribble and a good trajectory.
Napakaganda, partner. Ano kaya yung constant speed at velocity nung tira na yon?
And with the momentum of their runnings and throwing the ball like that, no, as if saying, okay, let's end this game, no, so that we can rest. No, we tried our best, but our best wasn't enough. No, kinanta ko na lang dapat.
Sino nga yun? Si James Ingram.
Eto na. Pero napakagandang mga laruan in the Bayan with a fadeaway shot. Still, no luck. And grabe, fast break talaga. That's once again Nuwika. And with seconds to play, probably the last possession for both teams. Still, ginaguard pa rin ng San Fernando ang Gainsa. Good respect given to the other team. And from downtown to close the game,
I think San Fernando's going to hold out in that last possession pero na-steal pa.
And great hustle.
Ayun na.
And
Easy score.
Easy score. With seconds to play, I think they're just simply going to cross the half court.
And that, I think, partner,
hug the
concludes our ball game. The second game for our exciting Ako Bicol Cup Day 17.
Tama, partner. So that's the official end of our basketball game between Municipality of Gainsa versus Municipality of San Fernando. San Fernando winning with 108 points against Gainsa with 74. I think with very simple analysis, no, Coach Mark, big factor talaga yung kulang na player ng Gainsa.
Yes, partner. Kasi kumbaga, meron tayong mga tinatawag na what ifs. Pero kung realistically speaking, it would be a very different ball game na maraming pang substitution. Sabi ko nga, diba, basketball is a team game, hindi yan game ng isang tao lang, individual stats. If the 4 players on the team are not on the same page, isa lang yung nag-i-score, most definitely mauubusan niya na.
Tama. Unless otherwise, no, yung player ng Gainsa, yun yung mga natin, no, generation of miracles na tinatawag. Pwede sana.
Mga android, kumbaga.
Pero hindi kasi all-star din yung players ng San Fernando.
I think also, partner, on the side of San Fernando, they took advantage of their youth. And of course, yung lineup nila translating to a very convincing win. And yun na nga, partner, as we look into our game highlights,
most of it are run and gun, no?
Gusto lang namin pasalamatan yung mga sponsors natin with Mississippi's Bay.
Then we have the Highlands Legazpi
and Hotel St. Ellis.
Of course, Hotel Venetia. So thank you so much po for sponsoring our Facebook Live. So yan, no, makikita natin, partner, sa highlight. Most of the scores, if not from outside, are the result of
fast breaks.
No?
Mga run and gun na tinatawag. So, as we wait for the Kasorog player, tignan muna natin yung mga highlights in this very exciting ball game.
And of course, no, commented din yung hustle ng Gainsa kasi in the first few quarters, they were very close. No, they were at par with San Fernando. Kaso nagresulta talaga yung kakulangan nila sa players in the latter part. As of course, as predicted by the panels. And I think everyone in the audience would say the same. So even those are audience at the live.
Partner.
So next game, no, while we are waiting for our courtside reporter with the Kasurog player of the game, abangan po natin, no, ang matinding bakbakan sa pangatlo at huling laro ngayong araw. We have Municipality of Villaor versus Municipality of Pamplona.
And I think this is going to be a very festive looking ball game given na yung Pamplona is in their home court and dumadagdag na yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. Kanina pa lang naririnig na natin yung parang mga xylophone ba yun?
Oo,
parang
prepare na.
Oo, magiging festive tayo mamaya. So yung mga nasa area lang naman, malapit dito, we're inviting you. The game here is free. Salamat sa Ako Bicol for bringing this game here. So again, this is an eye candy for everyone.
So, punta kayo dito, no? And if you cannot be accommodated, kasi feeling ko mapupuno na, no? Konting seats na lang available. We are, of course, no, providing you with a live LED track just outside this venue.
Ganun talaga, partner. Oo, parang ano lang. Para ka lang nasa Staples Center, di ba? Hindi ka makapasok kasi marami ng tawan doon sa labas. Merong malaking LED truck doon.
Tama. And with that, no, we have already the Kasurug player of the game. So, Carmela Hernandez, take it away.
And now, I'm with the Kasurug player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Oscar Beltran Jr. garnering 23 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. So first of all, congratulations to you and to your team, Oscar. So how are you feeling right now na after losing the game laban sa Team Lebmanan at ngayon naipanalo nyo na ito?
Masaya po kasi natuto kami sa last game namin na nagumpiyansa kami and nagampante kami sa last na laro namin and ngayon nagbawi kami.
Ayan, matanong ko lang din, ano ba yung naging motivation mo behind the excellent performance?
Ang motivation ko po ay si God at si Mama po. Yun lang po.
Alright, we are also live sa ating FB pages at YouTube channel. May gusto ka bang batiin o shoutout o pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Shoutout po kay Mayor Fermin Mabulo sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. And shoutout po sa mga teammates ko, kay Jolark, kay Agi, kay Mark, kay Gabe, kay Raymond, kay Armendi, sa lahat po ng mga teammates ko. And shoutout kay Huberts, kay Boss T, at sa Anton, at kay mama ko from Catanduanes po, hi ma, sa ate ko po, ate Alaysa, ate Shara, and Kuya Brian, at sa girlfriend ko po, hi po.
And once again, congratulations. Muling magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur para sa Game 3.